Hey friends, welcome back to Garajavan. If you're new to Garajavan, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Today I'll be making lobia and chayote vegetable curry. In local language for lobia we call it as alasande kalu, and for chayote we call it as sime badne kai or chow chow. This curry gets the delicious flavor of the tempered ingredients like crushed garlic, which I've taken around one whole bulb, curry leaves and red chili. Now without any delay, let's begin. So here you can see I've taken 2 chayota which I have cut into cubes, and then 1 cup of lobio which I have washed well and soaked overnight. Now I'm transferring the lobio to pressure cooker. Add water until the seeds have been soaked. Add salt and pressure cook it for around 4 to 5 whistles. As lobio is getting pressure cooked, let's make coconut masala paste for the curry. You need coriander seeds, methi seeds, marble sized tamarind, guntur red chili and turmeric powder, half grated coconut. Now let's roast the whole spices. Heat a little of coconut oil and roast all the whole spices. See that the flame is under low heat, and we will be roasting it for few seconds only. Cool the roasted content, transfer it to the mixer jar, add the grated coconut, followed by turmeric powder, tamarind, add adequate water and grind it to smooth fine paste. So here is your coconut masala paste ready. Meanwhile, the lobio is also cooked. Now to this I'm going to add the chow chow which I have chopped. Add a little of water until the chow chow is soaked. Now we will be pressure cooking it for 1 whistle only. Here you can see that the chow chow pieces have been cooked. Now I will be adding the ground coconut masala paste followed by water from the leftover masala from the mixer jar. Stir all well. As the gravy starts to boil, we will be tempering with garlic, curry leaves and a few red chilies. I have used Guntur red chili. Heat a little of coconut oil and stir fry the garlic, curry leaves and red chili. Stir fry until the raw smell of the garlic is gone, and you can see it is turned light brown in color. Now add it to the boiling curry. Check for salt, add if required. Give a stir and boil it for a minute so that the tempered ingredients fuse well into the gravy. Lobio and chow chow curry is ready. This curry can be enjoyed with hot steaming boiled rice. I'm sure you're going to try this recipe. Please do let me know your comments after trying it. Thank you for watching Garajavan. Please stay connected to Garajavan for more delicious recipe. Bye.